Have to work tomorrow. I love our talks, but I need to sleep. The white noise helps me sleep. Vaseline for my lips. I got a new bottle of sunscreen for my skin regimen. When I look in the mirror, I don't like my hips. I need to see it clearer, but my lack of an ass is such a distraction. I'm done with this. I'm so fucking done with this. So I'm gonna need you to give me some space. Give me some space. Are we falling out, or are we rolling out like thunder from the So get me some white noise, 'cause I need to